Listen you, grandma words not still. Them proverbs still blaze like fire in a decaying field. Take it before the bucket bottom drop out. Me say, grandmama say, every mickle make a muckle. Grandmama say, chicken Mary out then here. Grandmama say, if you can't hear you must feel. Grandmama say, Benny tree while it young still. Every mickle make a muckle. Grandmama say, chicken Mary out then here. Grandmama say, if you can't hear you must feel. Grandmama say, Benny tree while it young. Finger never point to self, it point yonder. So check your heart before you talk on another. Now wait till drum beat fi sharp in your axe. Preparation save your life when the devil attack. Sorry fi mawga dawg, careful in bite. Play with big dog, him a bite out your life. Every day the bucket a go all the well. But one day bottom drop, truth a go tell. Coward man keep bone, brave man risk fight. But every dog got them day, every puss got them night. You can't sit down pan cow back and cuss coking. Respect we feed you, that's how blessing begin. Grandmama say, every mickle make a muckle. Grandmama say, chicken Mary out then here. Grandmama say, if you can't hear you must feel. Grandmama say, Benny tree while it young still. Every mickle make a muckle. Grandmama say, chicken Mary up then here. Grandmama say, if you can't hear you must feel. Grandmama say, Benny tree while it young. I know everybody look if you cross the river with goats. So humble yourself, don't brag, don't gloat. Want it, can't get it no one. So give thanks for the liquor we keep you strong. Mud make fish catch, too much chat bring stress. Silence save soul, wisdom bring success. When trouble take you, picnic shirt might fit, adapt to survive. That's the way you win it. Peacock hide foot when them praise him tail. So don't cover sin, let truth prevail. One day God help, watch man against thief. Justice a go rise, wickedness brief. Your grandmama say, every mickle make a muckle. What grandmama say, chicken Mary out then here. What grandmama say, if you can't hear you must feel. What grandmama say, Benny tree while he young still. No make donkey choke you, rise above fool. Bend the tree early, teach picnic in school. Laugh over soup, now take life serious. Worry can't pay debt, action mysterious. You come here for milk, no fi count cow. Stop envy success, go hustle now. From the ghetto lane to the hills them high. Grandma proverb lift nation to sky. Find mama say, every mickle make a muckle. Grandmama say, chicken Mary out then here. Grandmama say, if you can't hear you must feel. Grandmama say, bend the tree while it young still. Mama say, every mickle make a muckle. Grandmama say, chicken Mary out then here. Grandmama say, if you can't hear you must feel. Grandmama say, bend the tree while it young still.